Hello and welcome to Aimable Real Pro, the place to learn everything about new technology and apps. In today's video, we'll talk about how to make money on YouTube and the best ways to monetize your channel. Whether you're just starting or looking to level up your channel, this video is your guide to navigating the ins and outs of making money on YouTube. From understanding the eligibility requirements to exploring different monetization methods, we'll cover it all. So, if you're ready to turn those views into revenue streams, hit that subscribe button, and let's unlock the potential of your YouTube channel. Alright, so you're ready to dive into the world of YouTube monetization? Awesome! But before you start counting those dollar signs, there are a few things you need to check off your list. First up, the big one. You need to hit that magic number of 1,000 subscribers. It's a testament to building a community around what you create. Next up, we've got watch time. Specifically, you'll need 4,000 hours of watch time racked up over the past 12 months. This tells YouTube that your content is something people actually want to watch. Now you might be thinking, okay, but what about views? And yeah, views are definitely important. They show that people are finding your content, but watch time is where it's at when it comes to monetization. Engagement is another key factor. Are people liking, commenting, and sharing your videos? These interactions tell YouTube that your content is resonating with your audience. The more engaged your viewers are, the more likely YouTube is to recommend your videos to others. And here's the thing. YouTube wants to make sure your channel is a good fit for advertisers. They're looking for channels that follow their guidelines, which means keeping things clean, respectful, and legal. No spammy content, no misleading thumbnails, and definitely no copyright infringement. So, before you hit that apply button, take a good look at your channel. Are you following YouTube's community guidelines? Have you steered clear of any copyright strikes? Making sure you're in the clear will save you a lot of headaches down the line. Alright, so you've hit those monetization milestones, 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. Congratulations! Now it's time to officially throw your hat in the ring and apply for YouTube's partner program, the Gateway to Monetization. Don't worry, the application process itself is pretty straightforward. First things first, head over to your YouTube studio. That's your channel's control center where you can manage everything from uploads to analytics. Once you're in the YouTube studio, look for the Monetization tab. It's usually located in the left-hand menu. Click on that and you'll be guided through the steps to apply for the YouTube Partner Program. You'll need to agree to YouTube's terms and conditions, which basically outline the rules of the game when it comes to monetization. Make sure you give those a thorough read so you know exactly what you're signing up for. Now comes the review process. YouTube's team will carefully examine your channel to ensure it meets their monetization policies and guidelines. This includes checking for things like copyright compliance, community standards adherence, and overall channel legitimacy. Think of it like YouTube making sure your channel is a good fit for their platform and their advertisers. They want to ensure that the content being monetized is high quality, brand safe, and aligns with their values. This review process can take a bit of time, so don't worry if you don't hear back right away. While you're waiting, the best thing you can do is continue doing what you do best, creating awesome content, engaging with your audience, and growing your channel. Alright, let's talk about the part you've all been waiting for. Actually, making money from your YouTube channel. Once you're part of the YouTube Partner Program, a world of monetization possibilities opens up. Let's break down some of the most popular ways to turn those views into revenue. First up, the OG of YouTube monetization ad revenue. You know those ads that play before, during, or after a video? Well, as a YouTube partner, you get a cut of the revenue generated from those ads. The amount you earn depends on a few factors, like the type of ads displayed, viewer engagement, and your audience demographics. It's not always a predictable income stream, but it can definitely add up over time, especially as your channel grows. Next, we've got Super Chats and Super Stickers. These are a fun way for your viewers to show their support and stand out from the crowd during live streams. Basically, viewers can pay to have their messages highlighted in the chat, making them more visible to you and the rest of the audience. It's a win-win. Your viewers get their moment in the spotlight, and you get a little extra cash in your pocket. Now let's talk sponsorships. As your channel gains traction, you might find brands reaching out to collaborate. This could involve anything from reviewing their products in your videos to featuring them in dedicated sponsored segments. Sponsorships can be a lucrative way to monetize, but it's important to be selective and only partner with brands that align with your channel's niche and values. So you've got the monetization ball rolling on your YouTube channel, that's awesome. But let's take it a step further and talk about how to really maximize your earnings and turn your channel into a revenue-generating machine. First and foremost, consistency is key. The YouTube algorithm loves channels that upload regularly. It signals to them that you're invested in your channel and committed to providing your viewers with fresh content. Aim for a consistent upload schedule that you can realistically maintain. Whether it's once a week, twice a week, or even more frequently, stick to it as much as possible. Your viewers will appreciate knowing when to expect new videos, and it'll help you stay top of mind. Next up, let's talk about engagement. It's not just about getting views, it's about fostering a community around your channel. Respond to comments, ask questions in your videos to spark discussions, and create content that encourages interaction. The more engaged your audience is, the more likely they are to stick around, watch more of your videos, and contribute to your earnings. Collaboration is another powerful tool. Teaming up with other YouTubers in your niche can expose your channel to a whole new audience. Look for creators with a similar target audience but different content styles. This way, you can cross-promote each other's channels and tap into each other's subscriber bases. Thank you for watching Aimable Real Pro. I hope this video has given you a clear understanding of how to unlock the monetization potential of your YouTube channel. Remember, it's a journey that requires dedication, creativity, and a whole lot of passion. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and share this video with others who might find it helpful. Let's build a community of creators who support and inspire each other on this exciting platform. In our next video, we'll talk more about other important tips to help you succeed on YouTube, from optimizing your videos for search to understanding YouTube's algorithm. See you next time.